Good morning, students. Beginning with part 2 of Unit 5, Health and Nutrition of English 1. In this activity 6, study the pyramid and answer the following questions. See over here they have given a pyramid. We will see in the next slide. First, let us read what is in the food pyramid. See, a food guide pyramid is a pyramid shaped guide of healthy food divided into sections to show the recommended intake for each food group. See how much intake we should have in each food group. They have explained us. And the first food pyramid was published in Sweden in 1974. See, when it was this food group was published in the year 1974 in Sweden. And food pyramid was introduced by whom? By the United States Department of Agriculture in the year 1992. And then it was updated in 2005 and then replaced in 2011. And over 25 other countries and organizations, they have also published food pyramids. So let us see the food pyramid. See, this is a food pyramid that you can see here in the food pyramid, the triangle shape. And see, fats, oils and sweet are used sparingly. The calcium, vitamins, vitamin B to B12 supplements, and the food they have shown in the picture. Then the other comes a milk, yogurt and cheese group, the 3 serving. And this side we can see meat, poultry, fish and dry beans and nuts, 2 serving. The next we can see vegetable group, 3 servings, different vegetables they have shown. And the next side the fruits group, that is 2 serving, different types of fruits, banana, watermelon, cherry, apple. And the next one is fortified cereals, bread. You can see the cereals also, bread, rice and pasta, that is 6 servings. And at the last we can see the water, 8 servings. So this is contributed in the section wise, section 1, section 2, section 3 and section 4. See, section 1 main food group, that is fats, oils and sweets. And in the see in this they have given all the section wise and the pyramid have also shown us. See, let us discuss the questions to these answers. See, name the main food groups of each section of the pyramid. See, section 1 main food group is fats, oils and sweet. Section 2 main food groups is milk, meat, poultry, fish, dry beans and nuts. Section 3 main food groups are vegetables and fruits. Section 4 main food groups cereals, bread, rice and pasta. Now, second question, name 3 food items which you include in your meal from each section of the pyramid. See, this you have to write on your own. According to me, we have oil, sweets, milk, cheese, dry beans, vegetables, rice and cereals in our meal. And third question, how many servings of vegetables and fruit should you have in a day and why? See, we should have at least 2 servings of vegetables and fruits in a day. Why? Because they have lots of fibers and vitamins in them and they are rich in calories but low in fats. The next question, fourth, how many glasses of water do you drink in a day? Why should one drink 8 glasses of water a day according to the pyramid? See, one should drink 8 glasses of water a day according to pyramid. Why? Because water helps to maintain balance of water in our body and it's also keep the temperature of our body balance. It also helps to digest the food and push undigested food throughout the bowels. So that's why we should drink 8 glasses of water. And do you agree with the concept of food pyramid? Yes, I agree with the concept of food pyramid. And see, this pyramid helps us a lot. What section consists of what and what should we intake. So this gives us lots of information about the food and how much serving it should be done. Now in activity 7, in this they have told us to form a group and read the following question, discuss the main ideas and quotations with your group, and one you present the idea. See, they have given us few. First of all, man is what he eats. See, eating food has man what he eats means what? Eating food that has effect on two level, that is physical and mental also. Physical level, we can clearly see that malnutrition affects health badly, and they cannot keep good health. And on other hand, our nutritious people are obese and have severe problems, and overnutrition is there then. And um and considering the other level of effect of food is man's thinking. Those who eat sattvic food have good thoughts and are kind heart, but those who eat otherwise do not have fair thinking and cruel at heart. Thus eating has much to do with man's being. So this was about this first one. And when we talk about the second one, to eat is a necessity, but to eat intelligently is an art. Intelligently means what? This quote says that every man has to eat to live. That is necessity. But when man has choices, it is very important for him to decide what to eat and how much to eat and how often also we should eat. Why? Because to it affects our health. If an affording boy or a girl eats too much junk food, he or she is surely going to spoil his health. If he or she eats fried foods or fatty food, he or she would collect lots of fat in the body and get obese, and the cholesterol in his body will be more. And when he starts suffering from heart problems, see, overeating also create severe problems. And thus eating is an art, and one has to think a lot before eating. So this is the meaning of this one. And the third one, early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. See, in this fast age, people always fall short of time and work extra hours. God has made nights for rest, but people keep awake till very late at night and then affect their health. It affect. As people are not having enough rest, they feel stress. And if someone gets up early, he feels fresh. He can have some more oxygen from the air, so he can keep healthy. It also keep our mind alert and active. And if man gets up early, he can have more time to work by day and can earn more. Thus, this old saying is good for our health. And when we talk about the fourth one, when wealth is lost, nothing is lost. When health is lost, when health is lost, something is lost. When character is lost, everything is lost. See, this saying focuses on the fact that health and character are more important than wealth. See, man can work harder to regain wealth if he has lost once. It is nothing if man loses his health, he has really lost something. Why? Because health is our real wealth, and man cannot enjoy pleasure of life if he does not keep well. But if a man's character is lost, and if not only harms his own self but also the people associated with him, and in the long run it affects the entire society. So it is great there is a great harm to values for man. So there is a special focus on man's character, that if it is lost, so man has lost his values and thereby everything is lost. So this is said properly, the when wealth is lost, nothing is lost, and when health is lost, something is lost, and when character is lost, everything is lost. And the last one, make a slogan on health with your partner on a chart paper. So you have to make a slogan. See, one of it I'm giving you. I don't need more pills. It's not helping my ills. So this was about all the in the activity 7, the different main items and the quotations we have read and we discussed about that quotations. Now moving towards activity 8. See the methods of cooking. See there are the different methods of cooking. See first of all we'll discuss about boiling to heat liquid until bubbles form on the surface. See when you keep a bowl and in that we keep a water, and when we keep it for boiling it start bubbling when it is boiled, and then keep it at that temperature during the cooking process. Example boiling potato, eggs, etc. See in the cooker also we can keep for a boiling rice. You might have seen your mother keeping a rice with a water and boiling it, so we can have a cooked rice. So boiling process is about until it bubbles form and it is well cooked, the food is. And the second one is frying, deep frying. See deep frying is cooking method where the food is cooked in a hot oil, at a temperature between 325 degree fresh rate and 400 degree. So example frying puris and samosas, when we deep frying it is being done. See when your mother is cooking, when she is deep frying samosas, the oil hot, very hot oil, and then only she pours all this item, samosa or puri in it. And when we talk about roasting, so roasting is a method that uses dry heat or an open fire or an oven. Like example, papad, groundnut roasting. You might have seen your mother roasting papad on the gas stove. And the next is sorting, that is pan frying. See sorting requires a very hot pan. A pan is very hot and little oil is there, and the food is sorted for 2 to 5 minutes only. That is Chinese vegetable we do for that. And when we talk about baking, baking is food cooking method that use prolonged dry heat in an oven. In the oven we can bake, but also in the hot ashes or on hot stones also we can bake. And the most common baked item is bread and cake. Biscuits also baked sometimes, and see mostly the bread and cake is being baked. So this was about the method of cooking, different methods: frying, boiling, roasting, deep frying, pan frying, baking, etc. Now they have asked us few questions. Which method of cooking does your mother use to prepare the food? See, when we talk about, generally we talk the different methods are used, that is boiling, frying also, roasting, pan frying, baking. We all the such type of methods are used in cooking by your mother also might be using same type of method for cooking. And which method should she use more and why? See, she should use boiling, roasting, and baking method more. Why? Because into the other method, that is frying and sorting, oil, butter, ghee, etc., fatty substance are used, and they are not good for our health. Much is not good. Little quantity is fine. The third one is, can you suggest rather another method of cooking cutlet with deep frying, so that the cutlets can be more balanced? See, yes, we can suggest that okay, she can boil potatoes and beans first and then mix them together. She can use dye to give shapes. Once they take a shape, she can either bake them, the pieces, or roast also, instead of having a deep frying them. And in doing so, they will be equally crispy also. And the fourth question, what food items can your mother substitute for puris and parathas to make your meals more balanced? Why? See, instead of puris and parathas, I would suggest you can suggest your mother to go for a roti and chapati, bakri or rotla. We don't need to fry or salt in preparing them, and they will be more balanced also, as oil is not used in their preparation. So you can suggest such type of things to your mother. Now, cooking is an art using different methods. Here are some methods. Complete the following column as given with the example. See, they have given the methods of cooking, that is boiling, frying, roasting, sorting, grilling, baking, and the food items using this method. First one, they have given the example, milk. You can have for boiling eggs, sauces, soups, potatoes. These are the example of boiling. And frying, puri, bhajia, pakoda, vadas, fafda, etc. For roasting, papad. They have given us example. The other examples are roti, bhakri, rotla, dry fruits. Then sorting, noodles. They have given the example. Potatoes, onions, paneer, cabbage are the other example of sortings. Grilling. When we talk about grilling, examples are sandwich, meat, pizza, patra, muthia. And baking comes, examples are cake, toast, biscuits, pudding, burger, all this bread. All these are the example of baking. Now moving towards the activity 9. See, the following are the compound words related to food. Use them in your sentence and find few new compound words related to food and also use them in your own sentence. See, they have given different food chain. First, let us talk about first one, food chain. A food chain web is a linear consequence of links in a food web, starting from a species that eats and no other species in the web and ends at the ends at a species that is eaten by no other species in the web. See, in this food chain, the food chain is a linear consequence. They have shown us the linear consequence, and in the food web that is starting from a species that they have eat that they eat and no other species in the web they and they also end at the species they end also and that is eaten by no other species in the web. So that was about the food chain. And when we talk about food poisoning, see, the food poisoning is when someone gets sick from eating food or they drink that has gone bad or contaminated. And there are two kinds of food poisoning, that is poisoning by toxic agent or by the infectious agent. See, food infection is when the food contains bacteria or other microbes. So in the food poisoning is a stomach ache and the food related to food it happens. And when we talk about food value, see, the food value of a particular food is a measure of how good it is for you, and that is based on all the vitamins, minerals or calories. And food processor, see, an electric domestic appliance are there. They are designed to speed the preparation of any food and mixing of integrains by automatic chopping, grating, blending, etc. That is food processor. See, the meaning of all these things they have given us. Food group. A food group is a collection of food that share similar nutritional properties or biological classification. See, the first one, when we talk about uh, food chain. See, food chain varies in length from the 3 to 6 or more levels. And a food chain consisting of a flower, a frog, a snake, or an owl consists of 4 levels. There is as food chain consisting of grass, a grasshopper, a rat, a snake, and finally a hog consists of 5 level. So this was about the food chain. And when we talk about food poisoning, see, food poisoning is also called foodborne illness, and food poisoning results from consumption of contaminated food, and also viruses or parasiticides that contain the food. And when we talk about food values, see, food values is always nutritional values of food, and the nutritional food values of spinach and other leafy vegetables is greater than the nutritional food value of almost any other food. And food processors are what are the kitchen appliance that is used to that helps us to keep our task preparation of food. And food groups, that is milk product generally known as dairy is very large food group, and the other food groups are fruits, grains, meat, sweets, vegetables and water. See, the other compound words related to food are following. See, buttermilk, butter and milk, compound word. Cheesecake, ice and cream, popcorn, drumstick, ginger plus bread, gingerbread, grape plus fruit, grapefruit, oatmeal, oatmeal, pan plus cake, pancake. See, these all are the compound words that are related to the food. So this was all about the food chain, food poisoning, food value, food processors and food groups, the meaning of it, and we also found the few compound words that are related to the food. Now moving towards the activity 11. See, in this activity we find that is they have given the glossary. Read the following glossary and sample sentences, understand the meaning and write a meaningful sentence of your own for each word. See, here they have given us the meaning of each word and also a sentence. So let us read the meaning. Calorie, first one. What is a calorie? It's a unit of energy that is often used to measurement of the amount of energy that food provide us. That is example, a medium size apple has 50 calories, and when we convert into the sentence, when we write a sentence on this calorie, see, to lose weight one needs to eat food items fewer calories. So this was about calorie. The second one is integrant. What is that? A variety of component that is used in the preparation of dish. Any type of dish we use a variety of components. See, the integrants for cake are flour, egg and butter. And when we form in a sentence, when my mother wants to cook something new, she buys special integrants according to the recipe. Diet food. See, a special food. Meaning of diet food is a special food prescribed for weight control, or specific food that is advised by the doctor during the certain illness. And what are the example of it? Sugar free food, low fat food, and non fried food. And sentence, when we frame, my friend was suffering from jaundice, so he was put on a specific diet food. The next one is dietary fiber. Fiber is substance in fruits and vegetables such as spinach, orange and nuts. And the sentence is, my grandfather eats some nuts and fruits daily to get daily dietary fibers. See, dietary fibers are fibers that fruits, and that comes in the fruits and vegetables such as spinach, orange and nuts. And when we talk about recipe, see, recipe is the complete process of preparing a dish together with accurate proportions. And when we frame a sentence, my mother watches good cookery shows on TV to learn new recipes. See, in the calorie, how much calorie do you burn in walking? And see, the questions that are framed, they have asked the meaning and write a meaningful sentence. We can write such type of questions also. And diet, when we talk about diet food, if you want to lose weight, you can go for a diet food prescribed by dietitians. Dietary fibers, vegetables like spinach and broccoli improves digestion and regulate the bowel movement also. And for the recipe, every day new recipes are prepared in the cookery shows. All these things they have given us a meaning also, and the sentence that is related to it. I hope you all have understood this chapter about new health and nutrition. They have explained us all the food chain also, and they have given us a dietary chart and the calories, about the quantity, how much quantity each food item will have, and how much calorie do they have. So I hope you all have understood it, and you should make your plan your diet chart and work accordingly to have a healthy and a peaceful life. Thank you for listening.